What's up, everyone? So, today we are going to be reviewing some of my games, which is Melon Playground. Oh, no. Yeah, sure. No, no, not Melon Playground. Ah! I don't like Melon Playground for a bit. So, let's play Toka Kitchen. Ew. Oh my god. That was so cringy.
Toka boka!
Okay. Okay, let's see this one. Hello. What about we get her a hot dog? Sweets first. Some yummy things first. Then meat. Sweets first. Now let's go here. Let's cut all of them. Some of them. Which is, we only need to cut the meat. Okay, we need a small one. This one. Oh. Okay. I'll cut all of them. This game is rude. Oh my god, that looks like a watermelon slice but red only. What about let's put tomato sauce? Yeah, sure. Tomato sauce. Oh, that's very red. Now let's add some spicy. Yeah, this looks like it's spicy. Let's go. Let's cook it. Let's go and cook it. Ooh, the cheese. I don't know what this is. Okay, it's done. Next is the... Oh my god, I forgot to cook the hot dog. Why am I so dumb? Delicious, right? It's gonna be delicious. You won't even know. Eat that. Oh my god, not even that spicy. Yum. Let's get you water. Water is healthy. There we go. There we go. I wish I could break this. Then the mom comes. Okay. Now let's get you veggies. Shut. Okay. Oh my god. This girl is so picky. Let's cut all these. Okay, the shrimp first. Don't like you're eating the head. Looks. I don't really like shrimps because they look yucky. Right, there we go. It's gonna be delicious. This is your... Oh, yeah. It's not cooked. Okay, now it's cooked. Come on. Shut up. Wait, let's put spice. I don't know if she's gonna handle it. Oh my god. Let's get you a watermelon. How are you still alive with all of that spice? Alright, bye everyone. Sorry if there's something wrong at the video. Have a good day everyone. Please like and subscribe. Goodbye.